Very good morning to all. I hope all are fine in this pandemic situation. So, topic for today is this. What is this? Yes, this is a glass prism. So, today we are going to study refraction of light through a prism. So, this is a prism as you can see. So, if you can see this prism, what you can see? It is having homogeneous transparent refracting medium and bounded by at least two non-parallel surfaces. This surface and this surface is non-parallel and this is inclined at an angle. That angle is known as prism. This is the actual prism and this is the drawing of this prism. As you can see, triangular shape. These two sides, if I will say this A point, this is the angle of prism, I suppose M, L and M, N. M, L and Mn are non-parallel surfaces that is inclined at some angle. That angle is known as angle of prism and it is denoted by A. And after that, if what we have done, you have done with the refraction through a glass slab, same. This is the normal. Then what we are going to do, this is the incident ray, and when a light ray will go from a rarer medium to the denser medium, rarer से कहाँ पे जाएगी, denser में जाएगी, it bends towards the normal. So this is a normal, this is the actual path, so it is bending towards the normal. So in the prism, light ray travel like this, and again here it is a boundary. So when from here it is a denser medium and here it is a rarer medium, then at this point again it will bend, denser से rarer में जा रही है, so it will bend away from the normal. That's why this is the normal, so it is bending away. So here angle between the emergent ray, this ray FG is the emergent ray. So angle between the emergent ray and the normal is the angle of emergence. Angle between the incident ray and the normal is the angle of incidence. So as this is the normal and this is the refracted angle, so this is angle of refraction and this is again angle of refraction and this is the emergence angle. So when this all have done, then what we have done, then this is the actual path of the incident ray and this is the actual path of the emergence ray. So here where these are meeting, at this point the angle made by the incident ray with the emergent ray is known as the angle of deviation, is known as the angle of deviation. As you can see, angle of deviation, it is defined as the angle between the direction of incident ray of light and the emergent ray of light. Clear? Now let's start with the, let's understand this topic more with the help of a activity.
Now we are performing an activity, that is refraction of light through prism. So this is a prism, as you know that. So first step, and what is the aim of the activity? To find the angle of deviation of a ray of light passing through the prism. So first of all, we have to make its boundaries. So we have done with the boundaries. Now let me put it aside. Now with the help of a protector, what we have to do, we have to make an angle of 90 degree here. So here it is 90 degree. This is 90 degree as you can see. So this is 90 degree. So this is normal. Done. So with respect to this normal, I want to make, I suppose, an angle of incidence is about 60 degree. So 90 to 80, 10, 80 to 70, 20, 30. So here it will be 60 degree. From here it is 30, and when we move from 90 to this side, then this is 60. So this is angle of incidence. So now again I am going to measure it. So as you can see, this is exactly 30 degree. Now we have put 2 thumb pins on this incident ray. So now my aim is to see these 2 pins from this side of a prism. Now let's see from this side. As you can see the pins from this side. Now let me put pins here so that they appears to be in a straight line. So this will be here, 1 pin will be here, and one will be here. So as you can see, they appears to be in a straight line. Now I am putting it aside as, and where is my pencil? These are, so I am joining these so now these are my rays, emerging ray. So here is 1 pin and here is the 2nd pin. So now what I am doing, so this is a incident ray and this is the normal N, O, N dash. So this is angle of incidence, that is, I suppose that is equal to 60 degree. So this is a rarer medium and this is the denser medium. So when a light will go from a rarer medium to a denser medium, it bends towards the normal. So it will be like this. So, and here again I am going to make a normal at this point. here it will be 90 degree. So with the help of a, so this is normal. Again I suppose it to be P M Q. Now as this is done, this is the emergent ray. So the angle between this normal and this emerging ray is the angle of emergence, angle E. So when I am going to extend this incident ray and I am going to extend this emergent ray as they appear to meet at this point. So this angle is angle of deviation delta and this is angle of prism A. So let me measure these angles. So angle of and this is angle R1 refracted angle, and again I am going to name it angle R2. So as you can see, angle of emergence comes out to be, it's about 10, 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 38 degree. Angle E comes out to be 38 degree, and this angle of deviation, as you have to put your this line like this, then this angle comes out to be to be 50 degree. This angle is angle of deviation comes out to be 50 degree. So this is your experiment to find the angle of deviation of a prism. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So please go through this, and any doubts put in doubt section. Thank you.